Very good morning, everyone. Today's topic of discussion is optimal binary search tree. Optimal binary search tree. First of all, you know what is binary search tree? Given any number of elements, given any number of keys, you are going to construct a binary search tree. And for given array, there may be any number of binary search trees. So we need to find such binary search tree which gives minimum comparisons. That means optimal binary search tree. We need to find the optimal solution for the binary search tree such that whatever search, number of comparisons that we are making to search for a key, that is optimal, that is minimum. We have to find such kind of minimal binary search tree. Now let us see a problem on this. Okay. Now this is a key here. Keys have been given. A, B, C, D are the keys. A, B, C, D are the keys. Then probability 0.1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.3. That means out of 1, A can be searched 0.1 number of times. B can be searched for 0.2 number of times. C can be searched for 0.4 number of times. D can be searched for 0.3 number of times. Now you have to do one thing here. You just write down this matrix. 0, 1, 2, 3 as it is. Call row values as 0, 1, 2, 3 and column values as 0, 1, 2, 3. Am I clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, in the first step I'm going to take, now initially this table is not filled. We have to fill it. Initially it will be empty, we have to fill it. First what I'm doing, case 1. In case 1, L is equal to 1, that is level is equal to 1. When is the level is equal to 1? When both the row value and column value are same. For 0, 0, for 1, 1, for 2, 2, for 3, 3. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. These diagonal elements I'll be filling it as it is. That means whatever probability values are there here, I am going to fill the diagonal elements of matrix with this probability values. You can see 0.1, 0.2, 0.4 and 0.3. Am I clear till here?
Yes, sir.
First what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill it. 0, 0 is 0.1, 1, 1 is 0.2, 2, 2 is 0.4, 3, 3 is 0.3. I'm going to fill this diagonal elements with the probability values given in the question. That is the first step. Next, this is case 1. What is case 2? Case 2 is level is equal to 2. That means, what is the next diagonal elements here? Next diagonal, place here in the matrix, it is this diagonal, boxes. 0.4, 0.8, 1. I have to find out this. These values I have to find out. 0.4 I have to find out, 0.8 I have to find out, 1 I have to find out. Now how will I find out? First, now I have filled this value. Now I have to calculate the value at 0, 1. Value at 0, 1 I have to find out. To find out the value at 0, 1, that is C of 0, 1, I'm going to write down this. 0, 1. What is 0, 1 stands for? 0, 1 stands for A and B. That is what I'm writing here. A and B. And what is the probability value for A? Probability value for A is 0.1. You can see here 0.1. And probability value for B is 0.2. Now I'm going to compute the value of C of 0, 1. How will I compute? 0.1 plus 0.2 plus minimum of, I'll take this 0. This 0, I will do it as a cross multiplication. You can see for 0, I will take 0.2 and for 1, I will take 0.1. You can see here for 0, I have taken 0.2. For 1, I have taken 0.1. For 1, I have taken 0.1. Now, which is the minimum value here? The minimum value is 0.1. So I'm going to tick that with tick mark. Now I'm going to add this 0.1 plus 0.2 plus whatever is the minimum value 0.1. Ultimately, I will get 0.4. So through what I got this 0.4? I got it through 1. So I will fill this table with 0.4 and I'm going to mention in the bracket it is 1. Why we are filling these elements within brackets? Yes, Akshay. Yes, Akshay. Hello?
Sir, minimum
Hello?
point, minimum part didn't understand.
Which
Minimum
one?
part that doesn't understand, sir. Minimum of 0.2 implies 0 something is there. Maybe.
Yes, I'll explain it. Now I'll write it as it is. So minimum of, I'll take the minimum values among these two. Minimum value among these two I will take. How will I write this? For 0, I will write 0.2. That is what I've written. For 0, I'll write 0.2. For 1, I'll write 0.2. Take the cross value of particular value. For 0, you take 0.2. For 1, you take 0.1. For 0, you take 0.2. For 1, you take 0.1.
0.1.
Now, which is the minimum value among these two? 0.2 and 0.1.
0.1.
That is what I've taken. And through what I got 0.1? I got it with the help
By
of
value.
value 1.
Yes, sir.
So that is what I've written here. If you see 0.4 superscript 1. Now I have to calculate this value 0.8. Now I'll fill it 0.4, whatever answer I've got. I'm going to fill it in this table. Now I have to calculate this value. I have to calculate this value. So to find C of 1, 2, I'm going to write 1 to BC. That is 0.2 and 0.4. So C of 1, 2 is equal to 0.2 plus 0.4 plus minimum of, for 1 I'm going to write 0.4, cross multiplication. 1 I'm going to write 0.4, for 2 I'm going to write 0.2, for 2 I'm going to write 0.2. Which is the minimum here? Minimum is 0.2. So I'm going to sum it up and ultimately I get 0.8. Now I got 0.2 because of value 2. So I'm going to write value 2 here. That is 0.8 superscript, in brackets I'm going to write 2. Now I'm going to find this value. Here I've got 1.0. Let's see how do we get 1.0. 1.0. Now to find 2, 3. I have to find this 2, 3. That is 2, 3. I have to find this value, that is 1.0. Now how will I find out? It is very simple. What I'm going to do is to find C of 2, 3, 2, 3, CD. C probability is 0.4. That is as given in the question. D's probability is 0.3. So I am going to compute the value of C of 2, 3. So 0.4 plus 0.3 plus minimum of 2 value is 0.3 and 3 value is 0.4. I'm going to write the cross value of these two values. For 2 I'm going to write 0.3. For 3 I'm going to write 0.4. That is what I have done here. Now I'll take this 0.4 plus 0.3 plus what is the minimum value? Minimum value is 0.3. And with the help of what I got this 0.3, with the help of 2. Ultimately I get 1.0 as the answer. I got this value because of 2. So I am going to write it in this box. That is 1.0 because of 2, superscript 2. Now I have to calculate this diagonal elements. That is 1.1 and 1.4 I need to calculate. How do I calculate it? Let's see. So to find C of 0, 2, to find C of 0, 2, I have to find this. C of 0, 2. C of 0, 2. 1.1 I have to find this. How do I find this? So C of 0, 2 means I'll take 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Corresponding keys are A, B and C as given in the question, and corresponding probability values that has been given in the question is 0.1, 0.2 and 0.4. Now again same procedure, I'm going to sum up these values 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.4. Now here you have to observe carefully. You have to observe carefully. How will I take the minimum of this? Minimum of, first you close this 0, you neglect this 0. So you're going to find out minimum of, so 0 is equal to C of 1, 2, C of 1, 2 and 1 is equal to C of 0, 0 plus C of 2, 2 and 2 is equal to C of 0, 1. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this?
No, sir.
1 second, sir.
1 second. Now you close this 0. You neglect this 0 and concentrate on these two columns. For 0, I'm going to write C of 1 comma 2. Value at C of 1 comma 2. For 0, I'm going to write. If I close this 0, then I'll take these two columns. That means C of 1 comma 2. Now I'll come to 1. So that is what I've written here. C of 1 comma 2. Now you close this one. If I close this one, I get one column on this side and one column on this side. So I'll take C of 0 comma 0 plus C of 2 comma 2. And when you take 2, you take this, you close this 2 and check out this 0 and 1. I get C of 0 comma 1. Now I'm going to, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
why we can't write C of 1 comma 1?
Why will you write C of 1 comma 1?
Since two columns are left there, no, sir, when we cover 2.
See, you keep this 0, okay? You close this 0 column. When you close this 0 column, you get C of 1 comma 2. When you close this 1 column, there are 2 columns on the left side. There are one column on the left side and 1 column on the right side. So what you will do, so you will take C of 0 comma 0 plus C of 2 comma 2. You cannot take C of 1 comma 1. Now if you close this 2, you have these 2. That is C of 0 comma 1. Yes, now you tell me what doubt you have. Tell me, Abhishek.
Last one, sir. C of 0 comma 1.
You close
For
this
2.
2. See, it is same as that you did in the first step. When you close this, you will take 1 comma 2. When you close this, you will take 0 comma 1. That's it. You compare with this first element. For 0, whatever I have done, you compare it with that. And for 2, you will get 0 comma 1. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
And
Any
sir,
doubts,
when you are
Abhishek?
covering,
Yes.
yes, sir, when we are covering 1, then why we are not writing like 0 comma 2?
0 comma 2. Why will you write 0 comma 2? You should not write 0 comma 2 because there are 2 elements. See, if you write 0 comma 2, 1 second. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
0
Got
comma
it, sir.
2, see, I have to calculate
got
0
it, sir.
comma 2 only. Why? How will you? If you take 0 comma 2, there is no value in 0 comma 2. 0th row and second
Sir.
column. So how will you
Yes,
take
sir.
that value? When you don't have value only, how can you use that value? Okay.
Got it, sir.
Now, what is the value at C of 1 comma 2? 1 comma 2 is 0.8. That is what I have taken here. For 0, it is 0.8. And for 1, it is C of 0 comma 0 plus C of, so C of 0 comma 0 plus C of 2 comma 2. What is 0 comma 0? 0 comma 0 is 0.1. 2 comma 2 is 0.4. 0.1 plus 0.4 is
0.5.
5. And for 2, you're going to take C of 0 comma 1. What is C of 0 comma 1? It is 0.4. 0.4. So which is the minimum among these three? Minimum is 0.4 and that is because of 2.
0.4.
Now if I sum up these values, I'll get 1.1 ultimately. And that is what I have filled here. It is because of superscript 2. Now I'm going to fill this box. I'll calculate 1.4. Let's see how we can calculate 1.4. That is to find C of 1 comma 3.
3.
1 comma 3. So I need to find out how did I get 1.4. C of 1 comma 3, for that I have to take 1, 2, 3. So B, C, D, probability as given in the question I'll write. So I'll sum up these values, 0.2 plus 0.4 plus 0.3 plus minimum of, if I close this one, I'll get C of 2 comma 3. If I close this 2, I get C of 1 comma 1 plus C of 3 comma 3. Am I clear with this step? It is same as previous step. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if I take 3, it is C of 1 comma 2. Again, I'll see the table. I'll see for the table. I'll see the table for the values of this C of 2 comma 3, C of 1 comma 1, and C of 3 comma 3, and C of 1 comma 2. And I'm going to fill these values. Now, which is the minimum value among these three? Minimum is 0.5. So I'm going to sum up these values and I get value 1.4 as the answer. And with the help of what value I got it because of 2. So I'll fill that 1.4 here, and that is because of 2. Now I have to calculate this 1.7. How do I get 1.7? Let's see. Now it is level 4, case 4, that is level 4. Why is it? Because now, see, we have calculated, we have filled these diagonal elements, we have filled these diagonal elements, we have filled these diagonal elements. Now we have to fill this diagonal element. So how do I do it? Very simple. Level is equal to 4. So C of 0, 3. Now remember here, I have to find C of 0, 3. How do I find it? I'll write all 4 values. 0, 1, 2, 3. I'll write all 4 values, and I'll write the probabilities also, keys also. I'll write whatever probability values that has been given in the question. I'm going to write it as it is. Now I'll calculate C of 0, 3 is equal to 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.4 plus minimum of, I'll hold this 0 and I'll calculate C of 1, 3. C of 1, 3. You hold this 0. Now you're going to find C of 1, 3. You hold this 1 and write C of 0, 0 plus C of 2, 3. You hold this 2 and write C of 0, 1 plus C of 3, 3. Am I clear with this step? And I'll hold this 3 and I'm going to get C of 0, 2. Am I clear with this step? Am I clear with this step? Guys?
No, sir.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
1 second, okay. Now you close this 0. Once you close this 0, I have to compute the value for 0. If I close this 0, I should take these 2 columns, that is C of 1, 3. If I close this 1, that is what I've done here, C of 1, 3. If I take this 1, there is 1 column on the left hand side and there are 2 columns on the right hand side. So how will I take? I'll take C of 0, 0 plus C of 2, 3. You remember these steps, that's it. Now if I take 2.
Sir, in
Yes.
first step, why we need to take directly 1, 3, sir? Either we can take 1, 2 plus 2, 3, no?
No, you cannot take that. You cannot take that. You'd say, okay, we will see if we take 1, 2. You cannot take that. It is not as per the algorithm. Okay.
Yes,
You
sir.
cannot take that. Now, see, for 0, I will take, you have to take these values and you have to omit this. That is a rule. Rule says that, algorithm says that, so you need to take in that manner. Actually, whatever algorithm that has been given in Levitt-Inbook, it is not actually working properly. So I have taken it from different source here. Now this procedure is working properly. You just remember, if you have to compute the value of 0, you have to take these 2 columns. Generally, you just remember, okay? You don't, overthink more on that. Why we are taking 1, 3, we can take 1, 2 and 2, 3. All that is not required. You apply same steps for all the process, then you will get the answer. For 0, you're taking 1, 3. For 1, you're taking 0, 0 plus 2, 3. For 2, you're taking 0, 1 plus 3, 3. And for 3, you're taking 0, 2. That's it. You just remember this. Once you practice, you will get it. Don't confuse. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir.
Now I'll compute this after looking into the table and computing the values of this C of 1, 3, C of 0, 0 plus C of 2, 3. You can see minimum value is 0.7 and that is because of 2 once again. So ultimately I get 1.7. If I sum all these values, I'll get 1.7 as the answer. And that is what I have filled here. 1.7, it is because of 2. Now in the next step, what I'm going to do is, I need to construct the optimal binary search tree. I need to construct the optimal binary search tree. How will I construct? Okay. Now you look into this table. If you look into this table, you take this final diagonal value. This will be the number of search, the total number of search that is required to search for a particular element in the tree. 1.7 optimal value is this 1.7. And whatever optimal value, subscript value that is having for optimal value, you take that subscript value. Subscript value is 2, right? 2. So what is the value? What is the key corresponding key to 2? Corresponding key to 2 is C. C. It is C here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write this C as the root node. And what comes after C? Whatever comes after C, that is D, you put it to the right of C. You put it to the right of C. Now what you do, you look into the table. If you look into the table, previous to C, there is 0.1 and 0.2. You don't know where to place 0.1 and where to place 0.2. There is a conflict. Now to resolve this conflict, what I'll do is, I'll check the values of corresponding array values of 0.1 and 0.2. That is 0, 1. I'll check this. Now you tally that in the table. 0, 1 is 0.4 and 0.4 is because of subscript 1. And what is the value of subscript 1? It is B,
0.2.
right? B.
Yes, sir.
Now this B, I'm going to write it to the right, and A, I'm going to write it to the left of B because it comes before B. So I'm going to write it to the left of B. Now if you just verify whether whatever 1.7 we have got through computation is correct or not, how will we verify? Whether it is an optimal binary search tree or not, we have to verify. How do we verify? 0.4 is the key value for this C, and point D probability value for D is 0.3. Probability
So
value
why
for
point-
yes.
So why 0.3 only came at right side?
I have taken that has been given in the question. See, for D it is 0.3, for C it is 0.4, for B it is 0.2, for A it is 0.1. That has been given in the question.
So I understood why only D came right side.
See, first I have filled C, right?
Yes, sir.
C. First I have filled C. What comes after C?
D.
D, right?
Yes, sir.
What comes after C?
D.
D. This D I have written it this side. Whatever comes after C, you fill it that side. Now, before C, there are two elements. So I don't know which element to be placed to the left of C. So to resolve that conflict, I'm going to check these values 0, 1. 0, 1 is 0.4. And what is the subscript value? Subscript value is 1. What is the value for 1? What is the key for 1? Key for 1 is B.
B.
So this B, I have filled it here. And what comes before B? A comes. If it comes before B, I have to fill it here. That's it. Now you write down the probability value for each and every key and compute 0.4 into, this is level 1. This is level 1. This is level 2. This is level 3. So it is 0.4 into 1 plus 0.2 into 2 plus 0.3 into 2 plus 0.1 into 3. 0.4 into 1, which is 0.4, plus 0.2 into 2, which is 0.4, 0.3 into 2, which is 0.6, 0.1 into 3, it is 0.3. And ultimately, I get the value 1.7. And whatever value I have got this, whatever value I have got in the table, that is 1.7. And whatever value I get after drawing the optimal binary search tree and computing the optimal value, both are similar. Hence, this problem is correct. This is how you verify the problem. Am I clear with this problem? Any confusions, you can ask me. You can just take a photo of this. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.